Hello everyone, introduce me Poppy Anggreni from class MNG 20C. Here I will explain briefly about the supply function and the demand function. Diffusion. The demand function is the relationship between the amount of goods or service that consumers will buy and the factor that influence it. There are several factors that influence the demand function. 1. Market price. P. The price of the product is the most significant factor in determining the quantity demanded. Typical, if the price of the product increases, the quantity demanded will tend to decrease and vice versa. 2. Consumer income. E. Consumer income also plays an important role in demand. If consumers' income increases, they will probably buy more goods, especially normal goods. Conversely, if consumer income falls, demand for goods might decrease. 3. Price of other goods. P. Other. The price of other goods, especially substituted or complementary goods, can also affect demand. Cheaper price for substitutes can reduce demand for a product, while higher price for complementary goods can increase demand for the product. The last, for consumer preferences, consumer style and preferences play a role in demand. Productive will more favorable factor or characteristic will have higher demand. The demand function can be represented in the form of the demand curve that show a relationship between the price of the product and the quantity demand. This curve tends downward, which means that if price rises, quantity demand falls and vice versa. Next, supply function. The supply function is the relationship between the quantity of goods or service to be sold by product or seller and the factor that influence supply. Some factors that influence bidding function include 1. Product price. P. Product price is the most significant factor in determining the quantity offered. Typical, if the price of the product rises, the quantity supplied will tend to increase because product will be more interested in selling at higher price. 2. Production costs. Production costs such as raw material, labor costs, and overhead costs influence the level of supply. Lower product costs tend to increase supply. 3. Technology. Technology often can increase productive efficiency and increase the supply of goods. 4. Government regulation. For government regulation. Government regulation such as tax or product quotas can affect the supply of goods. The supply function can also be represented in the form of the supply curve which show the relationship between the price of the product and the quantity supplied. These curves tend to rise, which means that as the price rises, the quantity supplied also tends to rise. When the demand and supply function meet in the market, the price and quantity of goods tend to reach equilibrium, where the quantity demand equals the quantity supply. The equilibrium is the point at which the market functions optimally. Okay, that's all I have to say. Sorry if I impronounce ends of the word. I would like to say thank you.